Hello and welcome to yet another video. I know I haven't made any video where I'm actually talking like this in front of the camera like this for a while. I'm sorry about that. It's just I have a lot going on right now. But anyway, today I have a special unboxing. It's not a brand new product. It's actually a secondhand product, and it came out in 2001. And you probably can see from the title, it's the unboxing of the original Canon EOS 1D. And yeah, it's a classic, well, original 1D camera. So yeah, that's why I kind of got it, and it's also a good deal pretty much. It was like 150 or 140 euros plus shipping, and also comes with another Sigma lens, but I will probably not be using that. The point is just to have this camera pretty much part of my collection, that's all. I'm not going to be using it for like professional work, but yeah. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. This is like the big box that it pretty much came with. So I could just align the camera on the tripod and just pretty much set the camera a little bit higher. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm assuming it's not an original box inside this box, but it comes with like 4 batteries, but the owner said only 2 of them is like usable. The other is also usable, but the battery will drain out pretty quickly. So it's still nice to include that nonetheless. Okay, I can't really see what I'm doing. But yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow, I was not expecting this. Egg boxes. Shoebox, which doesn't have anything inside. Nope. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. Nope, doesn't feel like there's anything in there. Okay. It's still very nice that the person packed it like this. So, yeah. Camera downside. Camera. Okay. That is, yeah. If I could just adjust the camera like this. Yeah, okay. Alright, God, my table is very messy right now from the box, but yeah. Bubble wrap. This is so well packaged. Oh wow. Battery, pretty lighter than I thought. Okay, this battery is actually very, very heavy. This battery too. So as this one. And this is the only Canon, original Canon. Oh! 2 of them actually. But why this one is heavy? Oh, that's not really a battery. Okay, my fault. My bad. That's probably a lens wrapped in present wrapping. This is the charger. Oh, I just ripped another. Wow. Instruction manuals. I will definitely be reading that. No, not really. And this is the camera. Nicely wrapped. Well, alright, let's get the lens first so we can get to the camera later. Okay, this is somewhat already semi-destroyed, so okay, it hurts me every time when I rip it. But just for the sake that the video doesn't last longer, like too long, I mean. That's the lens. Oops. Shoot. Oh, it's the pump type. Okay. Okay, it's Sigma 75 to 300 f4 to 5.6. I can give that a try later, but I don't think I'll ever use it. And this is the actual 1D camera. Alright, Yeah, finally have it. Wow. I don't think, nope, it's not the original one. So I'm not gonna use that. Something that my 5D Mark III doesn't even have is this, like curtain inside the viewfinder. The useful part about having a curtain inside a viewfinder is just, you know, so that when you're doing long exposure, there's like, it just cuts every single light source that could come. But obviously modern cameras will also have like proper, it will shut properly. But yeah, this actually feels smaller than I thought. But yeah, let's just put in a battery. The memory card hasn't arrived yet. I ordered like a 2 gig memory card. Wait. Okay. There's a little clip there. And now the weight is, yeah. It takes compact flash cards, and you're not, like, the maximum card it takes is like 2 gigabyte, the maximum capacity card. But yeah. Can I turn this on? Will it turn on? Looks like the battery is out on this one. Let's see if any of the batteries... Oh, there are 2 stages. Okay, so there's a clip here, and there's also a clip there. Okay. Yeah. Will it turn on? Oh, this one is full. This one is full. No CF card, it says. The shutter sounds very nice. Wow. This is the front of it. I think I'll just give it a little clean and yeah. APS-H size sensor. Yep. So it's between my 70D and my 5D Mark III and 5D Mark II. Yeah, finally have it in my hand. The Canon EOS 1D original came out in 2001. 4 megapixels or 4.1, I don't know. But it's a CCD type sensor, so yeah. Menu, and you still, it's a very it's two-handed camera kind of thing. And if you go to menu, if you press menu, you also, this is how you move around. But yeah, old camera. But yeah, that's that. Let's keep it short. Thank you very much for watching. I'll show some sample images. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.